So hi guys, today we will be doing a festive Halloween look. This is a makeup look I have learned from the makeup influencer Debashree, but today we will be doing it using all MyGlam products. So this is gonna be an interactive session because I would be introducing many MyGlam products which you haven't purchased or haven't seen yet. Let's get started. So this is my bare face without any makeup or even cream. I have just used a cleanser. Now to prep your skin before makeup, I always advise you to use a sheet mask for at least 15 minutes. Then don't wipe your skin, just apply the cream and get started. But I would be doing this makeup just for the shoot and then I have to do something else. So I'm just not pasting my sheet masks on this. Rather than I'm starting with the MyGlam Glow Moisturizer. I really love it. Okay. I'm showing you the texture with a close-up view to help you understand. It does not give an oily finish. It readily gets absorbed into your skin and just preps your skin for a perfect makeup look. So pump some more. So it's basically your choice how you want to get started with the makeup. Some of you would like doing the eye makeup first to prevent the fallout, but I usually go with doing the base first and then I do my eye makeup. So I'm just using the MyGlam primer, transparent. Now many of you would have the tendency to apply the primer and then just go for the foundation, but I would prefer you I would advise you to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the primer get absorbed into your skin. Now you may wonder what to do with the 2 to 3 minutes, so I would like to do my brows right now. MyGlam Stay Defined. I'm really sorry guys, the products are a little dirty because I am using them for ages. So yeah, this is how the brow product looks like. What I'm gonna do is, like my eyebrows are thin, so I will just give it a light bit arch and then fill it up. Nothing extra. So I've already done it on my right side. I will be doing the left and then I'll come back. So I'm done with both the brows. Now you may be wondering what to do next. As I'm going to do my base makeup first, so I would be color correcting and concealing my under eyes and dark circles. So I would be using this. I'm using this for the first time. Earlier I used to use orange corrector, orange eyeshadow. So today I'm going to use this Total Makeover FF Cream palette from MyGlam. So this has the orange corrector, concealer, or what you even call as a bronzer, foundation, depending it. So this is basically a cream product, as you can see. Anyway, so let's get started. You can use it according to your skin shade. So I'm using the orange corrector. Great. I love the palette. I have already read the reviews from other MyGlam Exo Beauty creators, but today I'm using it on my own. So I'm just loving it. So it's time for the concealer, so I'm getting started. Now make sure when you're applying the concealer, just dab it and don't blend it with the orange color. So yeah, I have covered all the orange areas. Now I'm going to blend it using the Beauty Blender. Light soft motion. So let the concealer hide the orange areas for now. Your foundation will do the rest of the work. So I have applied the foundation all over my face and then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender. Now drag the excess product down to your neck because you need to make sure that both your neck and face has the same color. I love to apply the excess foundation on my lips as well because they are very pigmented. So applying the excess product helps me to give a base to my lip color. I will be showing the eye makeup only on one eye just to keep the video crisp and short. So I'm just using this brown eye kajal from MyGlam. We'll be using the Manish Malhotra palettes already. I know the light is a bit different because it's raining right now. So in case you get any difficulties, feel free to ask in the comment section. So let me show you the amazing palette. Oh god, this is so enchanting. So this is the palette. We'll be using this brown color. I don't know, it looks like a bit saffron and orange or nude color mix, but this is actually brown. So I'm gonna use it using this brush. Because no matter how blendable the kajal is, it will give us a rough texture. You need to blend it well. Now I'm gonna use this khaki color right here as a transition color. The stand lighting is very bad, so I'm trying to give you a close-up as much as possible. Okay, so this is the most wanted palette, and this is the most wild pigment in this palette. So with the same brush, dab dab.
No blending, just apply unapologetically.
And then I'm going to use the same soily color in the middle part, just to give a effect that it's full. Okay, I'm taking some product, this palette is my favorite right now. Definitely using the Twisted mascara. I really don't want to ruin my eye makeup, so I haven't used an eyelash color before, so here it goes. The very common brush in your beginner set, and this palette. This is the Chisel It palette, so I will be doing my contouring and blushing entirely from this palette. So make your duck face. Love to use the same contouring and blush powder so that there is a natural flow of colors. The blending looks real. So after highlight it, I will be using the same champagne shade. My favorite shade, Night Aura from Manish Malhotra range. So I finally decided on, I want to keep it nude if it's for day makeup, but this is a Navratri look. I'm like chasing this look for the Navratri, so I would definitely use this color. everyone's favorite fixing spray because MyGlam hasn't launched any yet. So right now my hair is not at all manageable, it's really wet and I don't have a dryer right now. So all I try to do is brush the hair nicely to give it some waves. So if you really recreate it, please tag me and MyGlam and use the hashtag ShreyaliaStar. I don't know how it looks with a messy bun. Kind of cool, but I really like it. So guys, I'm absolutely loving it. In case you recreate this look, please tell me what are you wearing it with and what's your hairstyle.